Hey guys, Dalton RV. Wanted to show you a new floor plan we got in from Forest River. This is the Grey Wolf 28DT. Take a quick look outside. Does have your outdoor speakers, a TV bracket, large 16 plus foot power awning, stable steps, of course storage, 2 propane bottles, battery and a battery box. And this one also does have the juice pack, which is the solar panel on the top that you can operate some of your appliances with. Also keeps the battery charged. Does have one large super slide, which I'll show you on the inside. Has an outdoor shower, the flip down travel rack, and a full-size spare. Storage area here underneath the bunk beds. This one has the base camp package, the campfire package. Inside you've got your slide out with the U-shaped dinette. Has a 40-inch storage drawers underneath. A jackknife sofa, sleeper. Control panel here by the door. You can also download the app on your phone and control a lot of the features of your camper from your smartphone. In the kitchen, you've got some drawers, cabinetry, 2-burner gas cooktop, large black stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet, spring assisted. Some cabinets above with some lighting. Of course, a microwave oven, vent hood, nice little spice rack back here with the lip on the front so things will stay in there. You have your large 11 cubic foot black stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. Over here you've got your pantry and your kitchen. Teddy bear mattresses on your double bunks, and then at each bunk you also have the 110 outlet and a USB charging station on the top and the bottom bunks, as well as really all the sleeping areas have the USB charging stations. In your bathroom you got a nice full-size shower with a skylight above. And of course your vent fan. Sink and vanity with your medicine cabinet above. Shelves also have a lip on them. This unit does have a fireplace, has the driven audio system with an 8-inch 200 watt sub here in the ceiling, as well as 2 other indoor and 2 other outdoor speakers with LED lighting. Of course, all your cable TV ready hookups. In your master bedroom, you've got a queen size walk around bed with wardrobe cabinets above and to the sides. And again, the USB charging station and a 110 outlet. Also have a nice size closet in the bedroom. You have another TV bracket here on this wall, as well as your 110 outlet and cable ready hookups. Come see us at Dalton RV in Dalton, Georgia, 706-529-3300.